welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video I will be showing you how I got this sleek ponytail look. I already went ahead and undid the cornrows that my hair was in. The first step that I like to do is put coconut oil in my hair to protect it, especially the ends of it, because I think that's the most vulnerable part. So I'm just gonna moisturize with coconut oil. Now I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb and just comb my hair out. Comb out all the knots in it, because the more detangled it is, the smoother your bun is gonna appear. Now I'm gonna start combing it in an upward motion towards like how I want the ponytail to look. I kind of want it to be like on the top in the middle, like maybe here. Yep, let's do that. I just realized that I don't have bobby pins, so I will be needing a lot of gel. I'm kind of just combing it all to the top now from this angle. Okay, so this is as smooth as I'm gonna get it to be, because I feel like I could literally be here all day combing my hair. Next, I'll be using this hairbrush to smooth it all out. The reason I use the wide tooth comb before the hairbrush is to get out all the knot and detangle it before using a hairbrush, because I feel like if I just went in with a hairbrush I would be tugging at my hair. That's why I did that first. This is the hair tie I'm using. I don't have a small hair tie, so I'll just fold this up in two. One tip that I have is you don't want to pull your hair to be like really tight, because that puts a lot of tension on your edges, and that's how you end up losing your edges. Like, I used to do that. I used to make my bun really tight and put so much tension on my edges, and I would have that hairstyle for a long time, and by the time I brought my hair down I would end up losing so much hair around my edges. So now I just make my ponytail as loose as possible. The main thing I try to do is just like to have all of my hair together, and then I just use gel. So as you can see, not all of my hair is in the bun. My hair is shorter because I cut it. The shorter ends are sticking out, and that's okay because we are gonna fix that. I'm improvising with extensions for like braided hair extensions. You can literally use whatever you have, whatever is at your disposal, and just make do with that. So that's what I'm doing. Before I put on the ponytail though, I need to like smooth out my hair, like my actual hair. So this is the gel that I'm using. This is the Eco Styling Gel, the Professional Styling Gel Argan Oil. I recently just bought this gel. I've never used it in the past, so let's see how it holds up. I'm using a toothbrush. Okay, so I'm gonna use a toothbrush. The toothbrush that I use for my edges, so that's what I'm gonna be using for this part. So I'm just gonna apply. Oh my gosh, I think that's too much. Okay, right now I don't have the patience to use my toothbrush, so I'm gonna use my hands first, and then I'll use a toothbrush to just like fine tune it. We want this hair to be laid, so we're applying hair gel everywhere. We're gonna be putting that all over the back, the front, applying that everywhere. It's kind of a messy process, I'm not even gonna lie. I wish I had, like, I have this big brush that I used to use, but I just can't find it. It made it so much easier for me, but now I have to use my hands. It's fine though, I'll just wash my hands after. So I'm using my hands to smooth that out, like make sure it's like really like laid. This gel is really good. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna style my edges. I think it looks okay. I'll give this like a 7 out of a 10, or maybe like a 7.5. I'll use a scarf and just like hold this down, let it dry a little bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid this. I'll split it in 3 and I'll just braid it. So now that it's braided, I'm gonna use this to just like tie it. I was originally gonna use a scarf to hold it down and let it dry, but I think that's gonna take way too much time. So I'll just use a dryer. My hair is all dry. Now I will attach the extension. So this is the extension. I'm gonna comb it out. I think I'm gonna add a little more extension. I'm gonna add one more. I just added more gel because I had some flyaway hairs. I really want this to be a very sleek look. This is the finished look. That's the end of this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.